Welcome back to the channel. Here with another Duke video. It's been a little while. Spring is trying to show up and it's finally a warm enough day to take the Duke out. Really just checking in here with another exhaust video. This eBay copy SC Project muffler. This is one of the cheapos from eBay or wherever. I think that's where I got it. But I've only had this one on a few times. What I like to do with these is put this style on in the winter because ultimately I like the loudness of the muffler, but I don't like it enough for long rides. So I ride all year, and in the winter for short rides, this doesn't bother me too much, and I like it to be a little louder. So I will usually just put this on for the cold weather months and then put on something else for summer that's a little quieter for being on the highway and no drone or anything like that. So it's warm enough to ride today, so we're gonna hop on and go rip some gears with this thing on and have a wind foam protector for the GoPro to get better sound quality. So we're gonna try this out and see how it does. So thanks for stopping by the channel.